Are you tired of rushing home to feed your cats on time? Meet the PapaFeed 7L automatic cat feeder for 2 cats, 2.4G Wi-Fi timed auto feeder with app control, cat food dispenser with Alexa, detachable for easy clean, 1 to 10 meals per day, black. This smart cat feeder is changing the way US pet parents care for their furry friends. With Wi-Fi control, Alexa voice commands, and a massive 7-liter storage, your cats will never miss a meal again. Stay with me as we review its top features, customer feedback, and real pros and cons. You'll see why thousands of cat owners in the USA are switching to this device today. This model connects to your phone through a 2.4G Wi-Fi app. You can set 1 to 10 meals daily, control portion size, and even use Alexa voice commands. Pros: easy scheduling, hands-free feeding, and perfect for multiple cats. Cons: requires stable Wi-Fi. Customer review: one US user said, "It works perfectly with Alexa. Now my cats eat on time, even when I'm traveling." The 7-liter storage holds enough food for days. It comes with 2 stainless steel bowls, great for 2 cats. Pros: less refilling, hygienic bowls, even food sharing. Cons: bulky size for small apartments. Customer review: a buyer shared, "The big storage is a lifesaver. My cats don't fight anymore because both get food at once. Cleaning is simple because parts detach easily." The feeder also includes a secure lid to keep food fresh. Pros: easy cleaning, food stays crisp, pet-safe materials. Cons: needs regular washing for best results. Customer review: one pet parent wrote, "Cleaning takes 5 minutes. Much better than my old feeder." So, why buy the PapaFeed 7L automatic cat feeder for 2 cats? It saves time, keeps feeding consistent, reduces cat fights, and makes life easier for US families. If you want smart feeding with Wi-Fi, Alexa, and a huge storage, this is the feeder for you. Check the link in the description and grab yours today.